Hi everyone, today I am doing binary operations objective. First problem, if A star B denotes the bigger among A and B, and if A dot B equal to A star B plus 3, then 4.7 equal to A 14, B 31, C 10, D 8. It is given that A dot B equal to A star B plus 3. So take A dot B equal to A star B plus 3. Now 4.7 equal to, we have in the place of A 4, in the place of B we have 7. So 4 star 7 plus 3 equal to, it is given that A star B denotes the bigger among A and B. Now 4 star 7 equal to the bigger among 4 and 7 plus 3. In 4 and 7, the bigger one is 7. So 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So here option C is correct. Second problem. If the binary operation star on Z is defined by A star B equal to A square minus B square plus AB plus 4, then the value of 2 star 3 star 4 is, options are given by, option A is 233, B 33, C 55, D minus 55. Here A star B is defined by A square minus B square plus AB plus 4. So take A star B equal to A square minus B square plus AB plus A into B plus 4. Here we have to find 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star 3 star 4. First let us find 2 star 3 here. So 2 star 3 equal to, in the place of A here we have 2 and in the place of B we are having 3. So that you can write it as 2 square minus 3 square plus 2 into 3 plus 4 equal to 2 square equal to 4 minus 9 plus 2 into 3 6 plus 4 minus 5 plus 6 plus 4. So equal to 5. So here we are getting 2 star 3 equal to 5. So let me write 2 star 3 equal to 5 here. 5 star 4. Now it's defined by a star b equal to a square minus b square plus ab plus 4. So 5 star 4 equal to 5 square minus b equal to, here we are having 4. So minus 4 square plus here a into b. So 5 into 4 plus 4 equal to 25 minus 16 plus 20 plus 4. 9 plus 20 plus 4. 33 is the answer. So here option B is the correct answer. Third problem. Which of the following is true? A. Star defined by a star b equal to a plus b by 2 is a binary operation on Z. B. Star defined by a star b equal to a plus b by 2 is a binary operation on Q. 3. All binary commutative operations are associative. 4. Option D is given by subtraction is a binary operation. Subtraction is a binary operation on N. Here it is given that which of the following is true. First, let us verify the first one. Star defined by a star b equal to a plus b by 2 is a binary operation on the set of integers. Take, let 2 comma 3 belongs to Z. Now 2 star 3 is always equal to, it is defined by a star b equal to a plus b by 2. So now 2 star 3 equal to, according to the given condition, 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is not belonging to the set of integers. So we say that star is not a binary operation on the set of integers. So it is false. Now let me come to second option. Take a star b equal to a plus b by 2. Take any two rational numbers. 2 comma 3 belongs to Q. So 2 star 3 equal to 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. We know that 5 by 2 is a rational number. So 5 by 2 belongs to Q. Therefore, we say that second one is correct answer. Now let us verify the third option also. All binary commutative operations are associative. Let A star be equal to AB minus 1. Clearly it is commutative. 2 star 3 equal to, let us verify. 2 star 3 equal to 2 into 3 minus 1. Now 2 into 3 minus 1, 6 minus 1 equal to 5. 3 star 2 equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Now we say that here it is commutative. Star is commutative. Now let us verify whether it is associative or not. 2 star 3 star 4. Already we have 2 star 3 equal to 5. So equal to, we say that 5 star 4 equal to 5 star 4. A star B is defined by A into B minus 1. So now 5 star 4 equal to 5 into 4 minus 1 equal to 19. Now 2 star 3 star 4 equal to 2 star 3 star 4. A star B equal to A into B minus 1. So 3 star 4 equal to 3 into 4 minus 1. So 2 star, we have 11 here. So 2 star 11 means 2 into 11 minus 1. 22 minus 1 equal to 20. Here we are getting 20, here we are getting 19. So here we say that star is not associative. So whenever the given binary operation is commutative, so we say that it need not be associative. So here we say that all binary commutative operations are associative is wrong. Next, option D is given by subtraction is a binary operation on n. Let me take any two natural numbers. Let 2 comma 3 belongs to n. Here the binary operation is given by subtraction. So take 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 does not belong to n. So here we say that subtraction is not a binary operation on n. So finally we conclude that second one is the correct answer. Fourth problem. For the binary operation, star on Z defined by A star B equal to A plus B plus 1. The identity element is options are given by first one 0, A 0, B minus 1, C 1, D 2. For the given problem is for the binary operation star on set of integers is defined by A star B equal to A plus B plus 1. Then the identity element is, the identity law is we have A star E equal to A. Here it is defined that A star B equal to take the sum of A and B and take plus 1. So now A star if E equal to, we take it as A plus E plus 1. So A plus E plus 1 equal to A. It implies A cancel. So E plus 1 equal to 0. So it implies E equal to 0 minus 1, E equal to minus 1. Therefore, the identity element is equal to, we are having minus 1. Here option B is the correct answer. Fifth problem. Q plus denote the set of all positive rational numbers if the binary operation circle on Q plus is defined by A circle B equal to AB by 2, then inverse of 3 is, then inverse of 3 is, options are given by option A 4 by 3, B 2, C 1 by 3, D 2 by 3. The given problem is Q plus denote the set of all positive rational numbers if the binary operation circle on Q plus is defined by A circle B equal to AB by 2, then inverse of 3 we have to find. Solution. Given that A circle B equal to AB by 2, now here we have to find inverse of 3. You have to find inverse of 3 means 3 inverse we have to find. The inverse law is A star B equal to E. Here B is said to be inverse of A, or we can take it as A star A inverse equal to E also. But here the binary operation is given circle, so let me take circle here. A circle B equal to E. But here we don't have the identity element, so we have to find E also here. So to find E, take identity law is A circle E equal to A. We know that A star E equal to E star A equal to A. So A circle E equal to A. It is given that A circle B equal to AB by 2. So it implies you should take it as product of AB by 2. So here A circle E equal to product of A and E whole by 2 equal to, we are having A here. A cancel. So it implies E by 2 equal to 1. So that E equal to 2. So here we got the identity element equal to 2. So A circle B equal to, we are having 2 here. So A circle B is defined by AB by 2. So it implies AB by 2 equal to 2. It implies AB equal to 4. It implies B equal to 4 by A. B is nothing but inverse of A. It's denoted by like this A inverse. A inverse equal to 4 by A. It implies 3 inverse equal to 4 by 3. Now, inverse of 3 equal to 4 by 3 is there here. So, option A is the correct answer.